Hey guys, Devil here, back again with another video. In this video, I shall be showing you about how I made a website for school where students can submit their homework. So it's written in Python and in Django framework, and other languages used in it are HTML, CSS, and some sort of JavaScript. So I made this website so that teachers could easily get the homework submitted by the students, as they were actually having problem in Google Forms. Okay, so let me show you the demo of the website. Okay, and how does it looks like. So now I am connected to the Wi-Fi here, and first I have uploaded my website on Heroku server. So I'm not running on the local host, but I shall show you we are running on the local host also. So first let me show you on the Heroku server. My site is quite insecure due to of HTTP protocol it is using. Okay, so let me type the address of my site, which is something like cchs stack Heroku app, just a second, a spelling mistake, okay, .com. Okay, so as you can see, it has been loaded here. Okay, it will take some time. The site is quite slow because I am not using any commercial server or any domain. It's all free, so it's little bit slow here. Yes, there we go. So as you can see here, a beautiful slideshow going on. Okay, so I'm using an API from unsplash.com to show this slideshow. Okay, and coming down here, you get a blue color. In blue color, you see homework submission page, guys. Okay, and below that, you can see student, please submit your homework here. So guys, for the demo purpose, I will be showing you here the name. I suppose I type my name Stark. Okay, and in the subject section I type here maths. Okay, maths. As you can see, it's all in front of you, and then I simply click on the save button. Okay, so the site will reload. Okay, and one more thing, guys, the slideshow will always show a new picture. Okay, so the picture won't repeat. Okay, so now here you can see a button, click here to upload your homeworks. Students have to just click it. I will open in the new tab here. Okay, so it will redirect to you another site. Okay, and once again it is taking time anyway, so just a minute, wait for it. Here basically student will get an option for uploading their files. Okay, so it has been loaded actually. Okay, now here it's just telling made and designed by my instrument with my name, and here we get an option to browse here. So actually I am going to take a image actually. Okay, so let me search for an image. If I would be having, I shall be taking an image. Just a second, guys. If I go in the home directory, in the users, in the download section, okay, I got an image here, parrot security wallpaper. Yes, you can see this is the image. I simply click on open. Okay, and then upload it. Okay, so it will reload the site. Okay, actually, okay, the site reloaded, it means it has been uploaded. Now guys, now you have to view the I mean, here I have uploaded a picture of parrot, but student will upload their homeworks actually. Okay, so to view, here you get an option here. You click here to see the homework. Okay, and click here to see the students log, the information which we filled in. So we will be clicking on both, and here if the student clicks, he will be asked for a password, and the teacher so without the password no one can access it. Okay, so this one is the log one. Okay, so it is asking me for the login cchs admin. So let me log in here. I won't tell the password here. Okay, so let's keep something secrets. Okay guys, I have written the password, as you can see, and okay, so actually I've done a mistake here, so it's telling me, because a right password is necessary for it to be login. Okay, so as you can see, I'm not being logged in. Okay, let me see what's the issue here. Okay, sorry guys for the delay. Actually, I myself forgot the password, so now I remembered it, and there we go. We have successfully logged in to this. Okay, sorry for the delay, guys. Anyway, and here you can see it was actually the info page, I guess. So it was the info page, and just a second, it's loading. I clicked on the info tab here. Okay, so here once it's being loaded, wait for it. 3 2 1. Okay guys, so as you can see, it has been loaded. We get there an option, info object 41. Okay, click on that, and there we go. We can see the data which was filled by the student. Okay, so we are actually seeing the data here. Fine. This is the name Stark, and this is the subject maths, as I filled here. Okay, and this is for the images. So once again I will be logging in here. Okay, just a second, this time it won't take time. Okay, I have logged in, and here as you can see, it's again telling me welcome. Okay, and there we go in the image tab. As you can see guys, my network is actually a little bit slow. It will be working fine in the phone. As you can see here guys, we get this our image which was uploaded by a student actually. So student, I mean I'm a student here, and here as you can see, the image is being viewed. So student will submit the homework, and that will be viewed here, right? Okay, so there is no limitations like only 10 photos or something like that in the Google forms. Okay, it's all up to you. So now let's talk something about the code. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have a folder, main folder, which is cchs, and I created an app which is my app. Okay, in the cchs folder, as you can see, we get while going to the urls.py. Okay, from here the main control goes to admin if the slash admin is written, and if the empty path, then it transfer the control to my app. In my app, it transfer to user.py. Okay, if you have learned Django or something, you can understand it, but I'll be very soon making a tutorial on Python, and then we will be discussing about Djangos and all those stuff. Okay, so here as you can see here in the urls.py file, here we get that that it is telling, very simply I will make you understand that the control is being transferred from the main project urls.py to the my app urls.py, and it is saying that yes, if the path is empty, then it will be rendering a function which is views.index, which means there is a actually views.py file actually here. So in that index function is here, this one, it will go and run the function. Okay, now it will be seeing if the request dot method did post. So here as you can see in the templates, here the home.html, this is the html file, and there is some css embedded on it, and some sort of javascript also. Okay, so as you can see here in the bottom here, I actually made a form for this. Okay, for the purpose for taking the names and all that. So I made a form, and for the image upload process, I used a model form which was pre-made in Django. Okay, so I used that, little bit of slight changes. So as you can see here, we get here our form. Okay, this is the form with the csrf token. Okay, and in the models.py file I show you, this is the class. First one is image, so it will actually make a folder images as you saw on the admin, and there it will upload it. Okay, fine. So the and one more model I have created, that is the info one, and here the all the characters, I mean characters, not the names, and the subject, for that it is there. So basically what happens here is, the first of all the control goes to the main project, project urls.py. This is the css project, and there we go for the url.py, and from there the control is transmitted to my app, and there my app ka urls.py, you can say my app ke andar ka urls.py file. Okay, and from there it tells that what to do. Okay, like suppose rendering a function which was views.index. Okay, and that in the function it is mentioned here. So as I am showing you, just a second, so let me go in my app. Okay, and there we go for the views.py file, and here as you can see in the function it is told that taken in the input it is taking request, and in the output it is returning home.html. which was the template as I showed you of the HTML. So it is rendering that actually. Okay, so in this manner it works. Okay, hope you liked the videos and enjoyed it. If you want a tutorial or detailed tutorial on it, please do let me know in the comment section below. Okay, and please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want such videos. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.